Welcome back to the channel, coin lovers and collectors. In today's video, we take a deep and detailed look at the United Arab Emirates One Durham coin dated 1435 AH, corresponding to the year 2014, issued without a mint mark and preserved in good condition. At first glance, this modern circulation coin may seem ordinary, but within the world of numismatics, certain examples of the One Durham 1435 to 2014 have attracted surprising attention. When condition, strike quality, and rare variations come together, even a common-looking coin can achieve strong results at auction and become a sought-after piece among collectors worldwide. The United Arab Emirates introduced the dirham as its official currency in 1973, shortly after the formation of the Federation. Since then, the One Durham coin has remained a key part of everyday commerce, symbolizing unity among the seven Emirates. The 1435 AH, 2014, issue belongs to a long-running modern series that reflects the UAE's rapid economic growth and stability. Coins from this period were struck during a time of high circulation demand, yet quality control, minting technology, and occasional striking anomalies created subtle differences that collectors study closely today. The absence of a mint mark is standard for UAE coinage, making identification dependent on design details, metal quality, and overall preservation rather than mint symbols. The One Durham 1435 to 2014 coin features a clean and meaningful design. On one side, the denomination, One Durham, appears in both Arabic and English, emphasizing the UAE's blend of tradition and global outlook. The opposite side displays the traditional Arabic coffee pot, known as the dala, a powerful cultural symbol representing hospitality and heritage. The coin is struck in a copper-nickel composition, giving it a silver-gray tone with durability for circulation. In good condition, sharp lettering, strong rim definition, and minimal surface marks greatly enhance its visual appeal. Some examples show exceptionally crisp strikes or proof-like surfaces, which are especially attractive to collectors. The One Durham 2014 is not rare in standard circulated form. Rarity emerges when collectors focus on condition, striking quality, and unusual characteristics. Coins graded in high mint state levels, free from scratches, stains, or excessive wear, are far less common than circulated pieces. Additionally, off-center strikes, die cracks, weak strikes, or double impressions when authenticated can dramatically increase collector demand. International interest in Middle Eastern coinage has grown steadily, and UAE coins, due to the country's global influence and modern history, are increasingly collected by both regional and international numismatists. In typical circulated condition, the One Durham 1435 to 2014 holds modest value, often close to face value. However, in good uncirculated condition, prices can rise noticeably, especially when professionally graded. High-grade examples may sell for $506,000, while coins with dollars depending on rarity, demand, and competition among bidders. Auction results show that collectors are willing to pay strong premiums for standout examples that combine condition, eye appeal, and uniqueness. Collectors interested in this coin should carefully examine surface quality, edge integrity, and overall strike sharpness. Storing the coin in protective holders and avoiding unnecessary handling helps preserve its condition. It is also wise to compare multiple examples to identify subtle differences and potential errors. Submitting high-quality coins to reputable grading services can significantly enhance credibility and market value. Staying informed about auction trends and collector interest in UAE coinage can help buyers and sellers make confident decisions. The United Arab Emirates One Durham 1435 AH, 2014 issue without a mint mark is a perfect example of how modern coins can still offer excitement and opportunity for collectors. Though widely circulated, select examples stand out due to condition, rarity factors, and collector demand, achieving impressive prices in today's auction market. Whether you collect for historical interest, cultural significance, or investment potential, this coin proves that even recent issues can hold hidden value. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy learning about rare and valuable coins from around the world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next fascinating discovery.